protein help you gain muscle and strength? Proteins are the main building blocks of your body. They're used to make muscles, tendons, organs, and skin, as well as enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, and various molecules that serve many important functions. Muscles are largely made of protein. As with most body tissues, muscles are dynamic and constantly being broken down and rebuilt. To gain muscle, your body must synthesize more muscle protein than it breaks down. In other words, there needs to be a net positive protein balance in your body, often called nitrogen balance, as protein is high in nitrogen. As such, people who want to build muscle often eat more protein, as well as exercise. A higher protein intake can help build muscle and strength. Meanwhile, those who want to maintain the muscle they've built may need to increase their protein intake when losing body fat, as a high protein intake can help prevent the muscle loss that usually occurs when dieting. When it comes to muscle mass, studies usually don't look at the percentage of calories coming from protein, but rather the daily grams of protein per kilograms or pounds of body weight. A common recommendation for gaining muscle is 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Other scientists have estimated protein needs to be a minimum of 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. Numerous studies have tried to determine the optimal amount of protein for muscle gain, but many have reached varying conclusions. Some studies show that consuming more than 0.8 grams per pound has no benefit, while others indicate that intakes slightly higher than 1 gram of protein per pound are best. Though it's hard to give exact figures due to conflicting study results, about 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight seems to be a reasonable estimate. If you're carrying a lot of body fat, using either your lean mass or goal weight instead of your total body weight is a good idea, as it's mostly your lean mass that determines the amount of protein you need. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to hit like button and share your valuable comment with us. Good luck!